To remove Golf MK4 headlights, you have 4 screws in total, 2 on the top which are T20, Torx T20, and then you have 2 on the bottom. But to remove these 2 bottom, it's must that you remove the bumper. In the description you can find my other video where I've removed the front bumper. It's quite easy, but you have to do it. I guess it might work if you remove the half of the side if you're doing the one light, but if you're doing 2 lights it takes 15 minutes, but it's cleaner if you do that. So as you see, 4 screws are out, and then you can gently pull the light out. I actually broke one clip, but this was very loose. And then you have to remove the cable, which has one clip. That is not easy sometimes with the hand or small screwdriver, so you need a bigger screwdriver to undo it, but be careful, don't break it. It's this clip that you have to pull outwards with the screwdriver, but don't do it too hard. If you break it, this will be loose. Headlight sometimes might not work after you hit the porthole, so don't break this clip. So now the light is out. I have this new blackened headlight from inside, and then I've also done the LEDs on these headlights. You can also find that video in the description. So just put it back as you have taken it out. Put the screws with the hand first if you're using a drill, but then you can use the ratchet. So I put everything with the hand first, 2 bottom, 2 top, and then I will use the ratchet. Now I'll tighten them a bit with a ratchet. So you see this side is done. Let's move to the other side. I've already taken the light out, so it's just putting the light in. This comes with the special cables because it has this halo ring. So this side has extra cables that you need to put in and connect them with the battery. I guess it varies between different lights. If you have this kind of headlight, it has several cables and extra cables that you need to connect directly to the headlight. It has extra cables that you need to connect directly to the battery and some to the original headlight clip. So same method, 2 top screws, 2 bottom screws. So here I am done with the lights. It looks ugly, but look here, with the bumper, everything back in. I need to put the notch for this grill. I also have one video which you find in the description for this notch free grill. Please subscribe the channel. Click the subscribe button now so that you can see more golf videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.